Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert OGG to MP3 on mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, go to an online audio converter that supports the Opus format. You can use tools like Audio Converter or check others available on the App Store or Play Store. Once you have the tool open, upload the audio file you would like to convert. You can use any type of file including OGG, so make sure to select it. After uploading, tap on the audio file and select Convert from the menu. Then, choose MP3 as the output format. You can also adjust the audio quality depending on your preference. Set everything the way you want, then begin the conversion process. The tool will convert the selected audio into an MP3 file using your selected settings. Once the conversion is complete, download the MP3 file to your device. So that's basically how you can convert OGG to MP3 on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.